So guys, you're listening to that channel. Welcome guys. Welcome. So my name is Charles Boy. I do dance challenges guys. Now, so this is the dance tutorial right now. We're doing Esta Noche. Esta Noche. It's not like we said to make it bang bang. So guys, let's go. The first step in this tutorial is second and take bang bang. So you hit 1, hit 2, 5, 6, 7. It's 1, 2. So I guess you guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. This is 1, 2. Let's go together. 5, right and left. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. It's Esta shade. A shiny money. 1, 2. Open. So it's shining 1, 2. Open. And guys, let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Open. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Open. It's the shade. It's shining on me. 1, 2. Open. So guys, after that, the next time we do is we do 1, 2. You do 1. You kick your right leg on this side. So it's 1, 1. You twist. Just twist, guys. So for that, let's not make it difficult. You just kick, then you twist. Twist. 5, 6, 7, go. Open. Twist. 1, twist. Open. 1, twist. Open. Then go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Esta shade. A shiny money. Bang bang. Open. 1, twist. Open. That's it, guys. Thanks for following, guys. Hope you are following me, guys. Don't miss the track. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Esta shade. The money won't do nothing. 1, 2, twist. Open. 1, 2, twist. Open. See that, guys. So after once you open your leg, the next thing to do is to you tip. So guys, so your left hand to your right leg, your right hand to your left leg. So it's 1, 2. So let's get together. So you can get it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Esta shade. Your money will take bang bang. Open. Kick. 1, kick. Open. 1, 2. Eat. It says eat. What you do? 1, 2. You eat. Hope you're getting, guys. Hope you follow me, guys. Let's go. One more time. Esta shade. If I need me to go, I sing, guys. Let's go. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Esta shade. You can't even take bang bang. Open, open, 1, 2. So guys, after you do this move, next you do is to go to this side. You go to this side. Turn your face. Go to this side. To this side. Please. 1, 2. Let's go. 5, 6. From the start. After you do 1, 2. Just put it, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Esta shade. The money take bunking. Kick or twist. Open. 1, 2. Cheat. 1, 2. Let's do fast pace, guys. Fast pace. 5, 6, 7, 8. Esta shade. money me tick bang bang. 1, 2, 1, 2. So then after once you do that again, next step you do 1, 2. That's the end, guys. That's the dance tutorial, guys. So it's getting dark already. It's getting dark. I just have to film this video for you guys today. So that's step is 1, 2. That's the last step. That's the last step of this tutorial, guys. So let's keep on, guys. Let's keep on, guys. In case you are not subscribed to the channel, can you subscribe down below, like this video, watch my tutorials, guys. I do 4 tutorials and 4 challenges. Comment what you think about this video in case you find it video boring or whatever. Just let me know in the comment section and I will address it, guys. Let's dance one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ecstasy, burning me dick bunking. So that's that tutorial, guys. That is the dance challenge, guys. Sorry, I'm not getting this in the fast pace because it's already getting dark, guys. It's already getting dark. I don't want to make this video too long. Let's one more time in slow mo for you guys. In slow mo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ecstasy, money me say 1, 2. Open. You kick. You turn. You open. Drop. 1, 2. You hit. 1, 2. You 1, 2. I see you guys. That is the dance in slow mo, guys. That is the dance in slow mo. That's in slow mo. So let's go one more time. Let's do fast pace, guys. Fast pace for you guys. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ecstasy, you can't hear me keep on. 1, kick it. 1, 2, kick it. So guys, that is the dance tutorial. That is the dance tutorial for Esta Noche, guys. In case you like this tutorial, kindly subscribe down below. Like this video, share to your friends and family. And don't forget to watch 2 videos over here. And I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. In my next video, Esta Noche.